In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your Mailerlite emails, enhancing the engagement and appeal of your email campaigns. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes, so let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to head over to the Mailerlite website and get yourself logged in. You'll see a login option, usually located in the top right corner. Click on this to proceed to the login page. Now, if you're already using Google for your daily tasks, it might be convenient to click on Sign in with Google. This will save you the hassle of entering your email and password manually. Plus, it's always a good practice to use secure login options like this whenever possible. Once you're logged in and viewing the Mailerlite dashboard, direct your attention to the Campaigns section. Clicking on Campaigns will display a list of all your current and past campaigns. If you're starting fresh, maybe take a moment to draft up a campaign. For our purpose today though, let's assume you have one ready that you'd like to enhance with video content. Locate your campaign in the list and then click Edit to begin customizing its content. Now that you're in the editor, you'll need to look for the option to edit content. This is where the magic will happen. Within the content editor, you'll find a search feature that allows you to type specific elements you want to add to your email. Type in the word video. This will surface the various video blocks available for you to use. Once you've found the video block, it's time to add it to your email template. Mailerlite makes this easy with a drag and drop interface. Simply drag the video block over to the spot in your email where you anticipate it will have the most impact. This could be the top of your email to grab attention right away, or integrated within your content to complement your message seamlessly. Once dropped, click on the block itself, which will open an option for you to insert the video link. For the grand finale, you'll need the URL of the video you want to share. Copy the link from your chosen video platform, whether that's YouTube, Vimeo, or another service, and paste it into the provided field in the block. Instantly, Mailerlite will embed the video within your email, rendering it ready for your audience to play, boosting your engagement significantly. And there you have it. You've successfully added a video to your email campaign using Mailerlite, creating a more dynamic and interactive experience for your subscribers. Remember, videos can be a powerful tool in storytelling and marketing, so use them wisely to enhance your brand's messaging and reach. Thanks for joining me on this quick tutorial. Happy emailing.